into this. Want to see how? Keep watching. The tools you'll need is your favorite glue. I love the Kiss one. Your emery board or e-file. You will also need a cotton swab or ball, alcohol, and your favorite press-on nails. I'm using the Kiss Style Masterpiece, which I freaking love these. These are so cute. Let's get in tune. Aren't they so freaking pretty? So the glue that comes with the nails, it's a no for me. Don't never use that. Actually, take it out and just throw it away. Throw it far away. Instead, we're going to use the other glue that I highly suggest, okay? Yeah, get the one that I showed before. You can find it in Target. So inside are your nails, and it'll be a little e-file. That's so cute. I love this ombre. Good job, Kiss. So on the back of the nails are little numbers. If you could look right here, there's a 0. And that just lets you know which one it is. But I like to file down the top of the nail. This is what helps keep it looking natural. I just measure each nail first to see where goes what, so that way I'm not like scrambling all day trying to figure it out. But we're just gonna measure these nails on and get started. This nail was tricky. I don't know if it was because of the glitter on it, but I didn't see a number on it. So I just measured each nail and figured out which one works best, because as you can see, you can't tell anything. I can't tell anything. Yeah, we're just going to measure each nail, make sure they're the same size, and just apply them on whichever nail you want your accent nail to be. So after we get through measuring our nails, we're just going to take that e-file and buff the shine and oils off. So this is what actually like makes your nails stay on longer. It's just like if you go into the nail salon and they have to drill your nails down, but they're usually like a file like this, but sometimes they be going a little heavy on it and taking off too much of your layers of your nails. That's what makes your nail bed layers thinner, if you ever notice. And I like to kind of just like push back on my cuticles so that I could get off any excess skin or whatever. Like I just push it back a little bit more. And we're just gonna buff out everything. After we buffed our nails out and filed them a little bit, I like to just take that cotton round that I mentioned earlier and use the alcohol to remove off any of the dust. I don't know what the proper term of the dust that comes off your nail or whatever, the excess stuff. I just like to take off all of that, and this also helps with making sure there's no shine, there's no oil or anything on your nails, because I'm telling you now, sis, if you don't take off the oil off your nails are going to be popping off left and right, okay? this is the GOAT. This glue is the GOAT, honestly. It's the maximum speed. This is the only glue that y'all should be using, period. Yeah, let's get started and press these nails on, baby. So with me, when I apply glue, I like to put a couple of dots. Like I put one on the top, the bottom, and both sides so that I know the full nail is getting all of the glue. And then like I kind of like to just take the glue and the nail across my nail like this so that it's fully coated, and then I just press down. And when I'm pressing down, I'm moving my finger like side to side to make sure that the nail is pressed on. And sometimes you might have like glue that's coming out from the sides, which I try to wipe off sometimes with like the alcohol, and just keep pressing. See? We're gonna do this again, and y'all can just watch me do it. So far, giving off real salon vibes in the comforts of your home. And this nail, I don't know how I get crooked like that, but that's how they be having sometimes at the salon too, and be trying to play like you tweaking. I always like to do my thumbnails last. I don't know why, but I just do. I just like taking the e-file and buffing out the ends just to make it look even more realistic. I don't know where my cuticle oil is, but I got this olive oil. I'm gonna just get a little bit of this and rub it all up in this hand, because baby, her hands were so ashy and it was irritating my soul. But it's over now. I cannot have dry hands. And this is the final look. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you watched this all the way to the end, you are greatly appreciated. Deuces.